He came from dirt races, a true grinder, and shocked Japan's longest race. Even at 4 years old, he wasn't even in the open class yet. He finally got there by winning the G3 Diamond Stakes as an underdog. By then, he had already raced 19 times. He ran on turf, he ran on dirt, he ran everywhere. He wasn't a star, he was a grinder. Then came the Tennosho Spring. He was the 10th favorite. Neo Universe, that's a plenty. The spotlight was on the dominant 4-year-old. But he ran. And not just fast, he ran away. More than 20 lengths ahead. Behind him, the favorites hesitated, watching each other, no one chasing him. Into the final stretch, he was still alone, still leading, still untouchable. At the finish, a 7 lengths victory. An unknown horse had just conquered Japan's longest G1 race. Ingrandire. Not just a frontrunner, a grinder who turned his journey into a miracle.